Here are the models 1693 and 1694. Both are high current switching DC power supplies. The 1693 is a 60 amp 1 to 15 volt supply, and the 1694 is a 30 amp 1 to 30 volt power supply. The front panels of these instruments have a meter resolution of 3 digits for both voltage and current, an overload protection LED, a voltage control knob, a 5 amp max auxiliary output terminal, where the output voltage will track the main output, and the power switch. On the rear, both models feature large, high current output binding posts, remote sense terminal, cooling fan exhaust port, AC line input connector, a remote control DIN input with on-off switch, where remote control can be achieved by connecting a variable DC voltage source or resistor to the included DIN input connector.